kind of took this thing apart, downpipe off, everything's off. Got the wastegate taken apart. We got these new springs, a white one and a black one. The black one's I think 8 pounds. This one's about 7 pounds. And we just took off the original spring, and yeah, this thing was it's a green one, so we're gonna look that up. I'm guessing it's like a close to, I don't know, it's compared to these, it's, yeah, look at the difference. So we're gonna put in one of the small ones first and see the difference. Guys, got the intercooler back on, all the piping's all hooked up. Turbo, manifold, wastegate, the springs in, the 7 pound or 8 pound springs in. Whatever it is, it's way less than this monster right here. Alright, it's all ready, we're gonna take it for a spin.
Oh, a little bit of a fatality here.
Yeah, we tried to launch it and
for like the 4th time.
I launched it a little too hard, dumped the clutch, and heard a noise. And when I got out of gear, and I realized the
oh, brother.
transmission ripped a hole from where the shift linkage mount is.
Oh, you want to show him?
Oh yeah, come over here, guys.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Check this out, guys. Go under here. The shift linkage right there. You can see the pieces of that metal thing. Yeah, that's the transmission. So it's done. It's done.
Well, good thing we're by a parking lot.
We're done.
Found this church parking lot. Loki slipped on the transmission fluid. And we're just gonna wait till it gets a little darker so there's not as much traffic and police, and then we're gonna come back and push the car home.
That new long shifter mod. Alright guys, me and Anthony here. We're back at the scene. Got the Civic right here. We're about to push this thing to my house, which is just down the street. And I got the key. So basically, we got the wastegate spring in, and we instantly did some pulls. Pulled like, I don't know how to explain. Like, it pulled nice. It was strong, and I did a pretty good job tuning. So I've been more confident with my tuning lately. This is the first car I've tuned, and it is my car. So I'm glad I didn't blow anything up yet. But except for the transmission, which isn't from the tune. But now we know that it's making a lot of power. It was wheel spinning. It was not getting any traction in these. And these are just some regular street tires. So, anyways, this car isn't my daily or anything. This is my daily. It's a 350Z. So, as long as this one's fine, you know, I'm not really tripping. I'm just really happy that. Well, I mean, I'm not happy that I blew my transmission, but I'm really happy that we got stuff done today and we got it tuned, and now I have the map set up. So eventually I'm going to start tuning more and using other software instead of just on data, and eventually end up getting probably into different cars. I won't be in Hondas forever. So that's about it. Thanks for supporting this channel and subscribe, and